Hey, welcome back to the 5x10 Teardrop Camper. I was building a cabinet for it to go on the front, just under the air conditioner. And I thought I had you guys turned on, but evidently I did not. Well, I did have you turned on, but I left it pointing at the floor where I was working a while ago. Then when I got to check my footage, I realized I have missed it. So pretty much it's 21 inches wide and then 10 1/4 inches deep. But the front part you can see here is rounded. Now I didn't even use a router on there. I just kind of kept going on with the sander until I got something that will appeal to me. And you can see all these marks where they ran it through the machine at the factory. I'm just gonna leave that. I thought it looked cool. So we'll see how that looks when I put some polyurethane on there. But this is just gonna be basically let's see. Let's see if I can just put it here. And it'll mount right in there. Now I'm going to move the fire extinguisher here, right down there, and I'll probably move it to a new spot, and this will set up against here. And then I'm going to put some faces on here, probably just like this, where they're routed out, and then just seal it with polyurethane and stabilize it up a little bit, and it should be good to go right there. I'm just kind of sorry about that. I like I said, new with the GoPro, so we'll see. I ran across a piece of burlap. I thought that might make a good privacy screen on the inside, so I just left it hanging up here because I was using this to paint something with. I lay it down real flat and then spray the paint over it, and then move it, and it would leave kind of a fish scale pattern. Anyway, we'll see. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I'll figure it out. I appreciate y'all watching. I got a few more things I want to do to this camper before I call it done. Just kind of staving off boredom during the pandemic, staying home and, you know, self-quarantining, just finding stuff to do. Y'all stay safe. Please leave a comment. If you leave a nice comment, I'd be grateful. I will come to your channel and leave a nice comment too. So, and if you haven't already subscribed, I'd appreciate that too. Thank you.